Okay, just wait for a minute. After that.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Is it visible to you people? Does it is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what questions, words I have given you? So can you tell me those words? Answers? Sentences I have told you to prepare, you all of you. Can you? Anyone of you? Shubham, Rahul, Gautam. Can you people? Who are prepared, please proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have done, then please you can share me.
Yeah, means, ma'am, the first word was beast.
Okay.
The beast attacked on the crowd.
The beast attack.
On the crowd
Okay. What do you mean by this one? Beast attack?
means on the crowd, मैम मीन्स कोई भयानक जानवर पूरे भीड़ पे अटैक कर दिया मैम.
Beast attack. Okay.
Beast attacked on the crowd.
Beast attack on the crowd.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
हमें ही बोले ना मैम.
Yeah.
Almighty God mercy me to pass exam.
Very good. Your exam is online or offline?
Ma'am, competitive exams.
Okay.
Yeah, means the semester exam is going to be online, ma'am.
The online examination is going to be.
Yeah.
From when you are having your examination?
13th April, ma'am.
13th April?
हाँ मैम. 30th.
30th. Okay.
April, ma'am.
30 na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next sentence.
Disbelief, ma'am.
Yeah.
He completely disbelieved on me.
Okay. He completely disbelief. Yeah. Very nice. Next.
Unreality, ma'am.
Yeah.
इसका नहीं बनाया मैम.
Unreality. Who have
Yes,
done the
ma'am.
word unreality?
This fact seems unreality. ये हो
This
सकता है
facts
ना
to
मैम.
be unreal हो सकता है. Unreality, how you can say? Unreality means what? Something that is imaginary.
Yes,
Hollywood movies are unbelievable and unreality. Sorry, ma'am. Unreal.
Unreal ना होगा कि unreality होगा. क्या होगा?
Unreal होगा,
Unreality
ma'am.
और unreal होगा. What will
Unreal.
be? Can
Unreal
anyone
होगा,
say
ma'am.
of unreality any sentence? Anyone? There is a little sense of unreality.
मैम
Anyone?
जैसे कोई
अनविश्वसनीय हो वही ना होगा, मैम. तो this is
टाइप का मैम
unreality.
जिसपे
ये
कोई
सब
किसका
है,
आवाज
ma'am.
बहुत कम आ रहा है? धारनी.
जैसे
Yeah,
कुछ
your
चीज को
voice
देख
is.
के
Hello.
कुछ चीज को देख के मैम जैसे हम लोग बोल सकते हैं ना कि यस मैम.
Yeah. That means you please tell me one sentence. I don't want to know about the meaning and the words. I just want to know about the sentence. That's all. If it will be unreal, then it will be adjective. I want the word from unreality only. You have to use those word unreality only. Any one of you, open question. You are prepared, please tell me.
corruption rate is decreases. It is unreality, मैम. ऐसे यूज नहीं कर सकते मैम.
कैसे use?
Unexpected and unreality. अनरियलिटी का मैम एग्जैक्ट नहीं मिल पा रहा. अनरियल हो सक रहा है, अनरियलिटी नहीं बन पा रहा है मैम उसका सेंटेंस.
If I
Ma'am,
say
to me it was like an unreality, like fashion photography.
1 minute, she is
Fact.
saying na Dhani. Dhani, you are only saying na.
या अमृत मैम बोल रहा है वो सही है मैम शायद.
अमृत सही है. अमृत जो बोल रहा
अरे
है
अमृत
सही है.
हमेशा सही है.
अमृत हमेशा सही है ना? क्यों अमृत हमेशा
हाँ,
सही है? I don't know.
क्योंकि मेरा नेटवर्क बहुत फास्ट है.
Okay, very good. Please share your network Wi-Fi connection to your friend also. Shubham
Jio
is
Fiber
also
Limited है.
no, Shubham is also good. Shubham, can you say
व्हाट मैम?
unreality?
मैम अमृत तो बोला ना.
I had a deep feeling of unreality. Is it correct?
I had
a deep feeling of unreality.
Regarding something, ma'am.
Nothing regarding.
हाँ मैम हो सकता है मैम.
हो सकता है. How it will be?
हाँ जैसे मैम ये देखिए अनरियलिटी मीन्स बेसिकली इसका मतलब ये है ना जिस पे हम विश्वास नहीं कर सकते हैं.
No. When I am using in my sentence, I had a deep feeling of unreality. What it shows that I have some what I should say, some anxiety types of feeling. That one mean na? क्या हो सकता? What are the different sentences? What are the causes? मेरे को किसी से प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. I feel can be of allergy, of means of high noise, bright lights. Many sentences it could be na. So I had a deep feeling of unreality.
मैम ये भी तो हो सकता है ना. ये मतलब किसी के पास कोई सेंस होता है ना जैसे मैं अनरियलिटी का आप कुछ भी बोलेगा वो विश्वास नहीं करेगा.
Yeah.
He had a strange sense of unreality or something
Yeah,
like
sense
that.
हो सकता है. You can
हाँ.
use this word sense. Sense हो सकता है, absence हो सकता है, feeling हो सकता है unreality के साथ.
Yes मैम. हाँ तो ये हो सकता है ना. He had a strange sense of unreality.
हाँ.
ठीक है
You
तो
can
हो गया.
be.
उसका
Sense, feeling,
उसका
emotion.
sacrifice था मैम.
Yeah.
उसके बाद sacrifice था मैम.
Yeah.
He sacrificed his personal life for his career.
Yeah, very good. Okay, now Amrit, please.
हाँ मैम बोलिए ना.
Say, Amrit, are you busy with something?
हाँ मैम.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Having your lunch?
Ma'am, no. Just.
Okay. Now, Mayank Shukla.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please say.
मेरे को क्या बोलना था मैम?
5 sentences बोलना था.
हम लंच कर रहे थे उस समय.
Oh,
Sorry.
I know. That's why I've asked you. You are doing your lunch. Next. I've told na? Mayank Shukla. Where are you?
I'm telling.
Huh?
I'm telling.
Okay, tell fast.
Ma'am,
Monica
for
Nagar.
beast,
Okay, Mayank, you were saying. Okay, sir.
yes,
Okay.
for beast, the beast was less forgiving.
The beast was?
Less forgiving.
What you are saying? Please repeat it.
The beast was less forgiving.
Beast was less forgiving. Okay. Next.
For mercy, your father showed me mercy.
Your father showed whom mercy?
Ma'am,
Him.
anybody.
Him, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody. Okay. Is it correct?
Yeah, ma'am, kind of correct.
How it can be kind of correct? तुम्हारे पिता ने
I
दया
can
दिखाई.
add. Your father showed me mercy. Yeah, ma'am.
शोड होगा क्या शोड होगा क्या होगा बताओ तो.
Showed.
SHOWED.
SHOWED. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then it is correct. Okay. Then correct.
Yep. For disbelief, Ryan shook his head in disbelief.
In disbelief. Can you
Yeah.
tell me in Hindi what is this means?
मैम से कुछ हो कि कुछ उसको गलत भी कोई सलाह दे रहा है तो वो मतलब डिसबिलीफ में हाँ कर दे रहा है किसी चीज के लिए या
Means he cannot refuse anything that something is true or
Yes.
unreal.
यस मैम
Means lack of faith.
या लैक ऑफ फेथ
Okay. Next.
फॉर अनरियलिटी देयर इज एन एयर ऑफ अनरियलिटी अबाउट सच प्लान्स
There is a
देयर इज एन एयर ऑफ अनरियलिटी अबाउट सच प्लान्स
an air of unreality.
अबाउट सच प्लान्स
Anyhow, it is correct.
फॉर सैक्रिफाइस
Sacrifice. I sacrificed my life.
Yeah,
For my
ma'am, for
parents.
sacrifice written, Abhinav was ready to sacrifice everything for his country.
Okay.
Or
A shoulder. If I say a soldier sacrifices his life for his country, then it is correct.
a soldier.
Why
Ma'am, can you repeat?
A soldier sacrifices
Hmm.
his life for his country.
Ma'am, I think the form will change of sacrifice.
क्या हो जाएगा? What will be?
I don't remember, ma'am, correctly.
Any one of you? Form change होगा इसका, उसीलिए हम पूछे. What it will be? Please, any one of you.
Sacrificing.
Sacrifices. And if I say soldier sacrifices his whole life for his country, will it be?
Ma'am, I think we have to put an article like a soldier.
I am saying that one, a soldier sacrifices his whole life for his country. Will it is correct sentence?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I think it will be a soldier sacrifices his whole life for his country.
मैडम वही बोल रही है भाई तब से.
नहीं मैडम खाली सोल्जर बोल रही है भाई
No,
तब से हम
soldier-
हम तो सोल्जर
soldier
सुन रहे हैं तो मैम आवाज मेरा क्लियर था नेटवर्क के कारण नहीं आ रहा होगा
Sacrifice होगा कि sacrifices होगा?
sacrifice नहीं
मैम
sacrifices
सोल्जर के साथ सैक्रिफाइसेस होगा मैम.
Sacrifices होगा मैम.
Sacrifices होगा. Why? अगर हम soldiers लगाते S लगाते soldiers में then sacrifice. अगर हम यहाँ पे a soldier लगा रहे हैं then it will be a soldier sacrifices. And if I ask a question, why do soldiers sacrifice? तब हम सोल्जर्स का यूज करेंगे।
यस
हम यहाँ पे ए लगाया, पर्टिकुलरली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सोल्जर। Okay, so next I am coming to Saraswati Kumari. Saraswati Kumari, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Please send me 5 sentences.
मैम मैं तो अभी ज्वाइन की हूँ।
ना अभी ज्वाइन क्यों, नींद से उठे हो? Right
No,
now you are
ma'am.
waking. Very good. Now I'm coming to you people on collective noun. Okay, a collective noun is a word that refers to a group. Saraswati Kumari, I will be coming to you and I will ask you some examples of collective noun and you have to give me. A collective noun is a word that refers to a group. It can be the singular or plural, but is usually used in the singular. Please give me some example of collective nouns. This question only goes to Saraswati Kumari.
Crowd,
Cloud. Please make use in a sentence. A litter of cloud, a galaxy of cloud,
yes, ma'am.
a cast of cloud, a band of cloud. What it will be?
A galaxy of cloud,
Galaxy of cloud, very good. I think a galaxy of beauties is there. I don't think that anywhere I have heard that a galaxy of cloud. Can any one of you say what would be the cloud? Collective noun, how can you use this cloud? A shuffle of clouds. Got it? It will be a shuffle of clouds. Not the galaxy and all those things. It actually used a shuffle of clouds. Please note down something I am saying to you people. Some of the words you people must don't know, like Saraswati Kumari. She is saying that a group of what? Galaxy of clouds. In a collective noun, you have to say a shuffle of clouds.
okay, ma'am.
Next one, a band of, I am saying just a word, a band of. A band of, what it will be? Please fill the blank. A band of men. A stack of librarians. A catalog of prices. A herd of cattle. A fleet of ships. Fleet, F-L-E-E-T, fleet of ships. S-H-I-P-S. A chest of drawers. A chest of drawers. A hand of bananas. A hand of bananas. A harvest of wheat. These are collective nouns. Your next task for the next class that you all have to prepare 20 collective nouns examples like this, like a bale of cotton, a chest of drawers, a fleet of sheep, a gaggle of geese, a group of dancers. Like these things, your home assignment for all of you people that you all have to make 20 examples of collective nouns. Got it? Any problem, anyone? Any problem, anyone?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Our class graduates next year. What it is you're showing a class candidate next year. Audience loved her performance. We should play as a team. Now material noun. This examples already has been given to you people. I've described. Now the definitions I'm just saying to you people. What is a material noun? Are names of materials, of substances out of which things are made. Material noun is not a subset of common noun. Cotton dress is cheap. This is a building of marbles. Now exercise. This thing, Saraswati Kumari, please just watch these things because this is already being described in the previous class. Countable, uncountable is also been clear to you people. Now this one. Identify the following nouns as countable or uncountable. Please go through it for 2 minutes. Discuss all of you. After that, I will ask you questions one by one. Okay. Just
Okay,
go
ma'am.
through it once. 1 minute. Where it is? Yeah. Identify the following nouns as countable or uncountable. Please go it once. What it will be the flower?
Countable.
Countable, ma'am.
How?
तो हम काउंट कर सकते हैं ना कितना फ्लावर है.
फ्लावर को काउंट कर सकते हैं मैम.
कर सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Magazines?
काउंटेबल नॉन
कर
में.
सकते हैं.
काउंटेबल नाउन्स.
Tea?
अनकाउंटेबल नॉन.
काउंटेबल नाउन.
Milk?
अनकाउंटेबल.
अनकाउंटेबल.
Lemon?
काउंटेबल मैम.
Butter?
अनकाउंटेबल.
अगर बटर को हम पैकेट्स में रखे दें,
क्या मैम?
Countable, ma'am.
काउंटेबल हो जाएगा.
if we keep the butters in a packet, then
काउंटेबल हो जाएगा मैम.
butter packets?
काउंटेबल नॉन.
काउंटेबल नाउन.
Countable हो जाएगा, ma'am.
काउंटेबल.
काउंटेबल्स.
हाँ?
काउंटेबल नॉन.
Okay, got it. Now, next. अभी तक nouns में कोई problem? You can ask me. Any problem in the noun section? You can ask me. Any problem in the noun section? You can ask me. Do you have any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So can I means proceed to the next thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So your first chapter
Yes,
has been
ma'am.
completed. Your assignment I have already given to you people. Okay. Now.
हाँ मैम.
Huh?
असाइनमेंट कब मिला?
Collective noun you have to prepare 2020.
Oh
20
yes.
examples of collective nouns. Now we'll say some word of this collective noun. Please note it down fast. And how you will use them, you have to just write it. Okay. Be ready with your notebook and pen. Write it down fast. Herd, H-E-R-D, herd. BV, B-E-V-Y. B-E-V-Y. team, TEAM, team. Liter, LITTER, liter. Next, bed, BED, bed. Please use them in a collective noun form. As the army of ants. ऐसे use करते हैं ना? So please use these things. 2 minutes time. Given the words. Do it.
बोलना है.
Herd of cattles, ma'am.
Very good. BV.
Team of players, bed of roses.
Team of player. Team of player. Team हम बोले कब? Team of player होता है जी. How it will be team of player?
Ma'am, baby का है, baby of girls.
Team of players होगा कि player होगा हमको पहले बताओ अमृत. Amrit, just tell me, team of player it will be or team of players? Any one of you can say me, it will be team of player or team of players?
Players,
Team
ma'am.
of players.
S.
Team
Yes.
of players.
Players,
Yes, team
ma'am.
of players. Anywhere we can use this team? Anywhere we can use this team? Except team of players? Team of horses.
This is a cricket team.
No, Dharani, I want this collective noun in this form. I don't want in the team of those things. Sentences I have not tell you. Okay? Dharani.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That was a nice one. Ma'am.
Huh? BV. BEVY.
A BV of girls.
BV of girls. Anything else than BV? Anything else than BV of girls?
Babies of deers, ma'am.
BVs of lady?
BV of ships.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What do you mean by BV?
Jhund.
Jhund, no, ma'am.
Yeah. झुंड को क्या बोलते हैं? BV. Next.
Ma'am, lady, yeah, ladies, ma'am.
Ladies.
Yes, ma'am, ladies.
How it could be ladies? झुंड में lady होगा?
नहीं, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, ladies का झुंड ही रहता है.
Ma'am, litter of puppies.
Yeah. Next. Next.
Bed of roses होगा क्या?
Huh?
Bed of roses.
Please repeat.
Bed of roses.
Bed of roses. Very good. Next. Can you explain what do you
Amni.
mean by the bed of
Okay.
roses? Sometimes we used to say, "Na, we were lying in the bed of roses."
अच्छा ऐसा
That
बोलते हैं क्या?
means that is very comfortable and easy.
मैम पर रोज का बेड रहेगा तो गड़ेगा.
How it will be? The thorns are not there.
Thorns
This is
नहीं.
only the bed of roses.
मैम रोजेस के साथ ही थॉर्न्स भी रहता है.
Okay. No one will give you thorns in the bed of roses. First of all,
फूल और कांटे मैम, फूल और कांटे.
please just shut up. Life is not a bed of roses. ये बहुत बार सुने होंगे तुम लोग. Life is not a bed of roses. Do you know who has spoke these things? That life is not a bed of roses.
कोई महापुरुष मैम?
Which Mahapurush? Which Mahapurush, ma'am?
Raja Harishchandra.
No. Khilji is there. Next, Mustaq Raj.
A billow of smokers.
A pillow of smokers.
बिल्लो.
Yes, ma'am.
A pillow of smokers. What do you mean by this? I know a pillow.
Ma'am,
Yeah, sir.
ma'am, billow.
Oh, billow.
Laharana, ma'am, laharana.
Lahrana.
Yes, ma'am.
Please say me the spelling.
Billow.
Wait, a pillow of. What you say?
Smokers.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pillow of smokers. Okay. Pillow of smokers, what do you mean? I don't know. What does it mean? I also don't know. Any one of you know? I don't know actually.
मैम
Yep.
लिस्ट ऑफ माइंस वाला नहीं पता चला, वो बता दीजिए.
I don't really, I don't know what does this means, a pillow of smokers. Who have told, please explain me what does it means?
मैम जैसे स्मोक एक ये कलेक्टिव नाउन में ही आता है मैम. बिलो ऑफ स्मोकर्स, जैसे कोई धूम्रपान वगैरह तो उसका जो हवा में लहराता है उसी को.
I don't hear. I have to see then. I don't know at this one. Actually, I don't know. That's why clearly I am saying I don't know this one.
Okay, ma'am. A host of angels.
Okay. Now, Jyotirmay, I am coming to you.
Yes, ma'am.
For 5 words. Please answer me. Which I have given, not another than that thing.
मैम बीवी ऑफ शिप्स,
Yeah, very good.
टीम ऑफ पीपल्स,
What?
पीपल, टीम ऑफ पीपल,
Yeah.
एंड बेड ऑफ स्पाइक्स.
Yeah, bed of spikes. Next I am coming to Mayank Shukla. Where is this Mayank Shukla went?
25 लोग से 14 लोग हो गया.
Yeah, no problem. I don't have any problem. If there
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
2 person, then
आपने
also I
जो
will
word
take the
बताया
class. Huh? Amrit?
मैम
हाँ,
Yeah, what happened?
कुछ नहीं, हम बस बोले कि आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे तो.
If I am asking the question, see the people are just disappearing mode they are.
वही बोल रहे थे.
If I will say, I will read the lectures and the notes, they will just switch on, they will mute themselves, and I will find a good number of attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, next class. I am saying you about the next class. Okay, we are having noun. Is it clear to all people? The introduction
ma'am.
part, the common noun, collective noun, abstract, material, proper noun. Gender, you people know about the nouns. Number, you know. Examples also are some questions I have also given to you people. I don't think that you are having any confusion on nouns now. Are you having any kind of confusion, any questions? Any one of you?
मैम a billow of smokers, मैम एक
मैम
बार.
वो जो पूछे थे वो
क्या पूछे थे?
billow of
नेक्स्ट
smokers.
नेक्स्ट
मैम
नेक्स्ट
नेस्ट
ऑफ
ऑफ
माइंड
माइंस.
वो वाला.
हाँ, वो क्या है?
Yes,
That
ma'am,
two
वो
questions to you,
Ma'am, नहीं
one
पता
question
चला
from
उसको।
your side, one question from my side. A pillow of my, what pillow of mice or what na? Sorry, pillow of smokers.
A below of smokers.
Below of
Yeah.
smokers.
below of smokers और हम लोग कहाँ हैं?
Both the
Nest
things
of
we will
mice.
find. We both are having one assignment. Okay, this about collective nouns only. We are having the assignment. Okay. So in the next
Okay, ma'am.
class, I will discuss with you people about pronoun. Okay. The intro.
Ma'am, it is given about the smokers a below BILLOW or hack HACK of smokers.
You have already find it. My goodness. Going through this one and also you doing your network work.
बोले तो net fast है.
My goodness. Okay, next we will going through the pronoun. Okay. I am already saying you the topic about the pronoun. We will go. And if you have something to ask me, you can ask me about the
Ma'am,
pronoun.
mice में बहुत सारा है.
क्या है mice में? What you are having about the mice?
Ma'am, nest है,
हाँ.
horde है, HORDE, mischief है, click है,
Yeah.
trip है.
5
5 है.
5 है तो क्या होना चाहिए?
5 होगा.
What question I have asked you?
Ma'am, nest of mice.
हाँ, nest of mice. तो क्या होगा? If I say means one question, nest of especially we are using क्या बोले? We use for this bird only ना. अब nest of mice means क्या हो सकता है?
Nest मतलब bird क्या मैम? Bird का रहने का जगह, मतलब वो लोग घोंसला जो बनाता है उसको बोलते हैं.
That means the mice that live together. यही ना हो सकता है क्या? यही होगा.
जो मतलब घर पे रहता है.
घर पे रहता हो.
साथ रहता है.
Nonsense. A nest of mice हम use कब करते हैं? Means that a group.
अच्छा.
Now you people are all nest of mice learning English. 1 minute. You all are nest of mice learning English. What does it mean?
Men learning English. मैम तो ग्रुप का मतलब ग्रुप भी तो यूज कर सकते हैं, मतलब जानवर से क्यों वैसा?
हम लोग कुछ भी यूज कर. Mischief means that you means a mischief type of students you are. Mice कभी शांत होता है?
Yes मैम.
नहीं होता है. They
करने के
are
बाद-
all of mischief type.
मार देने के बाद शांत हो जाता है.
अमृत, you are two now. Stop. मारने के बाद शांत. Okay. For any kind of mischief groups, we use this the nest of mice. Got it? That means you people are mischief type. We are using a nest of mice. Now, anything? Anyone, any
Ma'am,
question?
A below of
A below smokers, I don't
वालों
know.
का
Actually, I
एक-
don't know. I don't know what is this. He knows. Who have asked this question, please ask him. Because I have never heard this word. It is too new for me also. Okay.
मैम
Yeah, Dharni.
अनरियलिटी का मैम और एक एग्जांपल बता दीजिए ना, उसका कंफ्यूज हो जा रहे हैं बहुत ज्यादा, उसका बन ही नहीं पा रहा सेंटेंस.
Unreality का तो मतलब पहले क्या होगा बोलो?
अनरियलिटी जिसपे एक मतलब जो रियल नहीं है, मतलब अनबिलीवेबल है, जिसको देख के मतलब या मैम वही होगा जो अनबिलीवेबल है, जो
Yes.
एग्जैक्ट
Exact means
जो
does spiritual life. 1 minute. Spiritual life is real or unreal? I am asking.
अनरियल मैम.
अनरियल, वो हम अनरियल
Unreal,
कैन वी से
unreal, ma'am.
डायरेक्ट